Brilliant, brilliant. So we're gonna do some improv as well, and we're also gonna have some music. So it's kind of a variety show tonight. If anybody wants to jump up here and start dancing, you know, feel free. Rusty?
No, it's been fun.
You know, so I don't know. I feel like we should have some sort of, I don't know, some sort of contest, something. Some pillow fights, girls. Did I have my fantasy? Basement. And you're ready to go, yeah? Okay. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, it's honestly enthusiasm. Do you want
to talk some more? Or?
No, you can. Do you want the stand for this?
Yeah, let's get the microphone stand.
Yeah.
Like a cactus run. Yeah. Little higher. Oh, I thought you were. Oh, you mean the microphone?
Oh,
yes.
I can turn that on. I am the guy who knows this.
No, it was a joke. See, I've already bombed.
I get it.
That's me.
Okay. Okay. How's everybody doing tonight? So, whereas Josh started out with some depressing news, I'm going to start out with some uplifting news. So, I don't think a big assumption that all of us in this room are really concerned about things that are going on in this world and on this planet. Global warming, climate change. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, well, I'm here to tell you tonight that you no longer have to worry about all of the CO2 being put into the atmosphere.
Why?
Why? Good audience. Why? Because the real threat to our planet is methane. Methane gases. Methane gases. Scientists have done studies to show that the last several major extinctions on this planet have been caused by methane. And with the rapid melting of the polar ice caps, scientists have realized that there are big pockets of methane that are going to be released. So the catastrophic end to our planet is going to come even sooner than we expected. I think that's good news because I don't think we as a species deserve to live. But
That's the good news.
We're not depressed anymore.
But, oh good. But see, I have to admit I won't be here, so take what I think with.
We will.
Yeah, I know you will. The other cool thing, and I can't believe that we have a theme, unintentional, is one of the major causes of methane gas emissions is
Kangaroo farts. No,
Cow farts.
cow farts.
Cow farts.
Yes, cow farts. And yeah, go to the head of the class. But I can tell you, this is something that doesn't really come as a shock to me because growing up on a small farm in Iowa, you know, milking cows, feeding chickens, I was exposed to many, many wafts of the methane gas produced by cow farts. And there was not a lot of things to do in a very isolated rural community, I had friends at school who were lighting their farts on fire, which I thought was really dangerous because it was close to one of my two favorite organs. But being an inquisitive and a little bit devious kind of kid, I noticed that different cows emitted farts with different rhythms and patterns. And I decided, you don't even know where I'm going with this.
Question for it.
Did you write a song to it?
So rather than risk bodily injury to myself, I realized that by carefully taking down the times, the intervals between farts, I could, with relative safety, light the cow farts on fire. Let me tell you, Hoffman, LSD, nothing compared to the hallucinatory trip that you get from inhaling lit cow farts. It's fucking mind-bending. The only bad thing was you hallucinate a lot, but everything is in brown and white. 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 Brown and white.
Fuck. I'm in the midst of yet another Bovine Fecal flashback.
Synthetic cow farts that have recently begun appearing on the dark web have some really Okay. This is the most important performance of my life. Maintain. Oh no. It's moderately suggestive metaphorical representations of messy and bossy significant others. They're just coming after me because they're jealous of my ability to trip off their cow farts. They also envy our mutually pleasurable sessions of what we Coming down now. Did the audience notice?
Yeah, everything's cool.
I don't quite understand why that is. But, so, after I realized what was going on, I realized I could channel these cow fart trips, as you will. And on one of these occasions, I felt that the metaphorical fingers of the universe touched my inner soul. And they endowed me, they imbued me with this song that represents the pinnacle of existence for bovines. So. So this is the revelation I had. This is a song about spiritual enlightenment down on the farm. Bovine fecal matter, throw it at the wall and hear it swear. Rub it in your hand, it doesn't really matter now. Bovine fecal matter, intellectual stops with shadow. Probably consider idle chatter. Wow. Well, I get up in the morning and I go into the yard. There I see my Bessie standing, keeping up her guard. When she sees me coming, she lets out with a boom. Because I'm about to steal her cowing. Whoa, bovine fecal matter, throw it at the wall and hear it splatter. Rub it in your head, it doesn't really matter now. Bovine fecal matter, intellectuals and snobs will scatter, for they consider idle chatter. Wow. This verse is about the spiritual transformation of matter into energy and back into matter. When I first get my hands on it, I contemplate its mass, ponder its new pre-existence in my Bessie's ass. I marvel at the way that nature utilizes herbs and turns my perfume flowers into my Bessie's round out herbs. Oh, bovine fecal matter, throw it at the wall and hear it splatter. Rub it in your head, it doesn't really matter now. Bovine fecal matter, intellectuals and stops and scatter from what they consider idle chatter. Wow. here comes the tricky part. Well, it isn't good for smoking and it isn't good for socks. But I can shape it like a cunt and with my cock.
Alright.
Well, I pulled it out again with such ferocity. Just 5 hours later before I can take a pee. Oh, Bovine Fecal matter, throw it at the wall and hear it smatter. Throw it in your head, it doesn't really matter. Bovine Fecal matter, which is synopsis matter. From a visitor, I lose track. Well, let me say in closing before I lose my thoughts. Bovine Fecal matter changes lives without a doubt. Before I got into it, I was an alcoholic. Now I spend my recent time in Portugal, probably so Bovine Fecal matter. Throw it at the wall and hear it splatter. Rubbing your hair, it doesn't really matter now. Bovine Fecal matter, intellectuals and snobs will stand. Someone may consider a Irish parents now. One more time! Bovine Fecal matter, throw it at the wall and hear it splatter. Rubbing in your head, it doesn't really matter now. Bovine Fecal matter, intellectuals and snobs will stand. From a big idle chair.
Welcome to my family.
From what they consider idle chatter. Wow. Next.
This is like, I'm gonna drink this.
Yeah! We're going to the field.
I'm so curious about this. Can you actually trip off this shit?
Yeah. And the scientific journals, they have deliberately hushed this information up.
I mean,
Yeah, fucking conspiracy, man. NSA.
what? I'm just curious.
Yeah.
What is the technique though? You kind of you lift the tail and you
Oh,
get in
I
there?
forgot. Yeah. I use a rope to tie the tail out of the way. So then I have a free hand to light the match. I know. It's Iowa, man. Fucking Iowa.
I mean, I'm an animal lover, so but
Yeah.
not in that way. But
Not in that way.
No. But is it harmful to the animal to inhale their in your?
Do they trip?
No. They have a built-in immunity. I feel so sorry for them.
Crazy shit.
It is.
Quite a catchy.
Forget
shooter.
it, Jake. It's Iowa.
I don't want to drip blood.
Bovine, I like it. Quite catchy, isn't it?
Yeah.
One round of applause.
My head's not into it. Oh, my head's not into it. Oh, my head's not into it. Oh.